In this session, let us learn about Java date and time. Java does not have a built-in date and class, but we can import the java.time package to work with the date and time API. The packages includes many date and time classes. For example, here class local date represents the date, year, month, day. Local time represents the time, hour, minute, second and nanoseconds. Local date time represents both the date and time. Date time formatter for displaying and parsing date time objects. If you don't know what a package is, read follow or Java package tutorial. Display current date. To display the current date, import the java.time local date class and use it now method. See here, while we write and execute this code, see the result was it's printed 15/8/24 and something. The output will be this. Display current date and time. To display the current date and time, import the java time local date time class and use the now method. See, while we write and execute this code, see the current date and time with seconds was printed. Formatting date and time. The T in the example above is used to separate the date from the time. You can use the date time formatter class with the off pattern method. In the same package to format or paste date time objects, the following examples will remove both the T and the nanoseconds from the date time. See here, while you write and execute this code, see import the local date time class, import the date time formatter class. See, by writing and executing this code, the result printed is before formatting. See here, after formatting, the T was removed. The off pattern method accepts all sorts of values if you want to display the date and time in a different format. For example, see here, year, month, date. See example, date, month, year. See this example, date, month, year. See the 26 April 2022, year, month, date, year. See Thursday, April 26, 2022. Import the date time formatter class. If we write and execute this code, see here, import the local date time class, import the date time formatter class. See here, before formatting, see after formatting, see the result returns this. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 37, Java date. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java array list. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.